Hi guys, welcome back. Let's make some split peas rice, the perfect side dish. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by boiling our split peas. It's already been washed and I've been soaking it for about 4 to 5 hours or so. We will allow this to boil until it is nice and tender. You want it tender but not too soft to where it's mashed out and mushy. So once it is done, this is how it should be looking here. You will just reserve the liquid because we'll use it to boil our rice. So you want to strain this and reserve the liquid. Here are the aromatics and the herbs I'll be using, and I will list everything in my description box or the caption. So you want to saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Next we will add our rice, and today I'm using long grain white rice and it's already been washed. You want to give it a little stir and then we will follow up with our seasoning for flavor and taste. Remember, you can taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. Once everything is well combined, we'll allow it to fry a bit for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. That will help the rice to stay nice and loose and remove some of the starch. Next, you want to add your split peas and we'll give that a good toss. Then we'll follow up with the liquid. The liquid that was used to boil the split peas, that's what we'll be using. No coconut milk. We are not making coconut rice. So you want to add that liquid in, and I went in with a little bit of water because I didn't have enough of the broth that we boiled the peas in, so I added water as a substitute. We will give that a stir and set the lid on and allow it to simmer on low heat until the rice is nice and tender and all the liquid has evaporated. So once the liquid evaporates, your rice should be perfectly done. What I like to do is remove it from the heat, cover it, and allow it to sit for 10 minutes before I go in and fluff the rice. So here I was fluffing the rice, and if you want, you can remove all those thyme stems that might be in there. And I did remove the pepper because I didn't want it to pop. And yeah, lastly, I will garnish with fresh scallion and parsley. And this is it, guys. The rice is so delicious. You can pair it with almost anything. It's the perfect side dish. So today I'll be pairing this with some fried ripe plantains, some salt fish cakes. Usually I would pair it with some baked chicken, some stewed fish, stew meatballs, something like that. But today I decided to go with some salt fish cakes, some potato salad, and a fresh garden salad. Give the recipe a try. Trust me, you will not regret it. It is so delicious. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.